one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Zanu PF activist dies in road accident. The 28th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Zanu PF in the Midlands province is mourning the sudden death of youthful party activist Tinashe Panganai, who died in a road accident this week. The tragic development has plunged the ruling party's provincial structures into grief, with tributes pouring in for a man described as a dedicated servant of both the party and the community. In a statement released on Tuesday, Zanu PF Midlands identified Panganai as the Deputy Secretary for Information and Publicity in the Youth League, a role in which he played a critical part in shaping the party's communication strategy among young people. The Midlands province mourns the untimely loss of Tinashe Panganai, who tragically passed away in a fatal accident. Read the statement. The party emphasized his tireless work in grassroots mobilization and his drive to empower young people in the province. He was a passionate and dedicated young leader, known for his unwavering commitment to the development of the province and his active role in empowering the youth. His contributions to the party and the community will be remembered with deep respect and honor, the statement added. Details of the accident remain unclear, but insiders say his death has sent shockwaves through local party structures, where he was widely regarded as an energetic and outspoken figure. Panganai will be laid to rest at Destiny Memorial Park on Wednesday, the 27th of August 2025, at 10 o'clock, and the ruling party urged members and sympathizers to attend and pay their last respects to a cadre they described as a comrade who lived and died serving the revolution. In closing, Zanu PF Midlands said, "Rest in peace, Comrade Tinashe Panganai. Your legacy will continue to inspire those you led and served."